Tesla has incorporated a suite of advanced technologies into its tiny house, creating a dwelling of only 375 square feet that delivers an experience far beyond its physical size, with energy savings of 60 to 100% and noise reduction of over 30 decibels. These figures make it one of the most attention-grabbing housing designs today. Could the hidden technologies behind it be enough to redefine how we perceive a home? Before we begin, please help us reach more subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla EVs, Tesla robots, and the latest news. 1. OptiSpace Spatial Design Technology. Tesla Tiny House is designed around a unique spatial concept called OptiSpace, which focuses on optimizing how humans perceive space rather than relying solely on numerical floor area. Although the house measures only about 375 square feet, Tesla does not treat this as a limitation. Instead, the company uses a ceiling height of roughly 9 to 10 feet combined with large glass panels to expand the field of view and flood the interior with natural light. When you can see more open space and fewer obstructing walls, the brain interprets the environment as significantly more spacious than it actually is. As a result, even with the same physical dimensions, the tiny house delivers an airy, open feeling similar to much larger apartments. Another factor that enhances space efficiency is the multifunctional layout. An area of about 120 square feet serves as a living room during the day, complete with seating, a table, and a lounging zone. When it is time to sleep, a few folds, slides, or pulls transform the same space into a bedroom for two. The desk folds neatly into the wall, the chairs tuck under shelves, and the dining area seamlessly merges with the living space. Thanks to this design, the home requires no additional floor space, yet still provides all essential zones: living room, bedroom, and workspace. This makes the actual 375 square feet feel comparable to an apartment of around 600 to 700 square feet. Tesla also handles storage in a clever way. Instead of bulky standing cabinets that consume valuable space, the company integrates storage compartments directly into the walls. These recessed storage units take up minimal volume while holding a large number of items, from clothing to personal belongings. The result is a clean, uncluttered interior with fewer visual obstacles, an important factor that helps the brain perceive the space as larger, even when the physical size remains unchanged. When all three elements, high ceilings, expansive glass, multifunctional layout, and built-in wall storage, are combined, Tesla creates the illusion of living in a space around 600 to 700 square feet, even though the actual area is only 375 square feet. This embodies the core philosophy of the Tesla tiny house. You own a small home but enjoy the comfort and openness of a much larger one. After experiencing the larger-than-real sensation created by OptiSpace, do you think this model could replace a traditional home for you? Once again, please help us reach more subscribers. It really keeps us motivated. Thank you. 2. SolarSync Mini Energy Technology. One of the standout features that sets the Tesla tiny house apart is its mini integrated solar energy system, which enables the home to generate nearly all the electricity it needs. Rather than relying on the grid, Tesla equips the house with a complete solution consisting of lightweight solar panels, a battery storage module, and smart controllers to meet daily power demands. As a result, electricity bills can be reduced by 60% and even close to 100%, while still maintaining stable operation for years without complex maintenance. The roof functions like a compact power plant. Instead of traditional materials such as metal or shingles, Tesla uses around 18 to 24 ultra-thin solar panels. Each panel weighs only 30 to 35 pounds, about 25% lighter than common panels, which reduces structural load and lowers installation costs. These panels achieve an efficiency of 18 to 22%, comparable to some of the most advanced residential solar systems today, allowing a significant amount of sunlight to be converted into usable energy. Combined, the system delivers roughly 3 to 4 kilowatts, enough to power a mini fridge, air conditioner, LED lighting, water pump, and other essential appliances. With an energy-efficient lifestyle, most electricity needs can be supplied directly from the roof. However, solar energy cannot operate continuously, especially at night or during cloudy weather, so Tesla incorporates 5 to 8 kilowatt-hour battery modules. These units are simplified derivatives of the Powerwall system. A well-insulated tiny home with efficient appliances typically consumes 5 to 10 kilowatt-hours per day, meaning a 5 to 8 kilowatt-hour battery can keep the house running for nearly a full day without recharging. During the day, the panels supply power while simultaneously charging the batteries. At night or when sunlight is insufficient, the system automatically draws energy from the battery without user intervention. These batteries have a lifespan of around 10 years, equivalent to thousands of discharge cycles, allowing continuous operation for approximately 3,650 days without early replacement. The final key component is the Solar Sync Mini Smart Controller. This device learns the resident's electricity usage patterns, such as when the air conditioner is turned on, cooking times, or when the homeowner returns, so it can optimize energy distribution between the batteries, solar panels, and the grid, if connected. For example, if the system detects heavy nighttime consumption, it will prioritize fully charging the batteries during daylight hours to reduce unnecessary discharging. Thanks to this optimization process, the system can save an additional 15 to 25% energy compared with traditional passive solar setups. Taken together, the Tesla tiny house is more than just a small dwelling. It is a complete energy ecosystem, a roof that generates power, batteries that store it, and intelligent controllers that distribute it efficiently. With this configuration, dependence on the grid can drop to nearly zero, depending on location and usage habits. For those seeking a stable, low-maintenance, and cost-effective living space, installing a Tesla tiny house with the SolarSync mini system offers an attractive solution, an almost self-sufficient home that operates reliably and simply for many years. 3. Flexi-Living Interior Technology. One of the most striking aspects of the Tesla tiny house design is its flexible interior system, built on the principle of maximizing every inch of space. Instead of filling the interior with decorative items, Tesla focuses on durable materials and simple mechanisms capable of maintaining stability for many years. This approach ensures the home is designed for long-term living rather than serving as a temporary structure. The flooring and kitchen areas use high-density composite materials that resist water and humidity far better than natural wood. As a result, they do not swell or warp when exposed to moisture and are less prone to corrosion compared to cheaper metals. These composites can remain durable for 10 to 15 years of regular use, meaning residents do not have to worry about peeling floors, broken hinges, or cracked surfaces caused by temperature changes. This highlights Tesla's commitment to longevity right from the material selection stage. Inside the tiny home, space is managed intelligently through a sliding mechanism system. Beds, desks, and storage cabinets are mounted on rails, allowing them to be repositioned effortlessly. Instead of lifting heavy furniture, users can move items with one hand. Each rail supports up to around 130 kilograms, so even a full bed or heavy storage items can be shifted smoothly. The rails are made from low-friction materials, reducing the need for lubrication and significantly cutting down maintenance. All appliances inside the Tesla tiny house operate on energy-efficient technology. They consume 30 to 50% less electricity than older devices such as incandescent bulbs, resistive heaters, or conventional air conditioners. The inverter system is particularly efficient because it runs steadily without frequent on-off cycles, keeping temperatures consistent and avoiding sudden energy spikes. This lowers the load on the SolarSync mini system and helps reduce overall electricity consumption. Taken together, Tesla's flexible living concept becomes clear. Durable composite flooring, user-friendly sliding mechanisms, energy-saving appliances, and smart energy management all combine to create a practical and long-lasting living space. This is not a showcase model or a temporary solution, but a home engineered for real, extended use with minimal maintenance. With a price of around $7,000 and a lifespan of roughly a decade, the Tesla tiny house delivers considerable value. Its blend of durability, convenience, and energy efficiency makes it an attractive option for anyone seeking a compact yet reliable and sustainable living solution. We appreciate your contributions and hope you will have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.